We have KOCO crews out and about showing us some of the damage from those tornadoes last night. KOCO's Colby Terrell on Sooner and the southeast 89th area. Good morning, Colby.
Good morning, Shelby. If you look behind me, there's a lot of bent up metal everywhere. We can hear it creaking and groaning. Just some stuff that shouldn't be bent this way was bent by this storm. If you look down here at the ground, we obviously have first responders going through these areas. They're having to navigate all this tough debris, all these nails just sticking up out of this wood right here on the ground. And just kind of looking through these houses that are devastated over here. I actually just talked with a resident who was walking around out of his house trying to kind of get out of the neighborhood. They're having a rough time right now. Obviously, as you can see, it's pretty blocked off. He told me that they were actually sitting on their porch when the storm hit, and then they decided to go in when they felt the rain and wind pick up, and then their front just window and door and everything really just kind of blew out. It was just shocking. He says he's still kind of having a hard time processing it all. I'm sure he's not the only one out here like that. Obviously, some of them are not in this neighborhood anymore or are maybe still asleep for the morning, but we're going to be hearing more stories like that from this based on the devastation we're seeing here and some of this damage, Shelby.